as soon as Chris got there, I felt a little better. I just didn't want that day to come, and it wasn't the fear of being blind, it was more the fear of, all right, this is like my last minute to see, last hours. That was the fear.
Do you remember waking up when you saw it?
I saw a lot of like white, kind of, it was like white light, and I heard my mom and dad talking to me, which comforted me, and I really didn't feel sorrow because it's already happened. I can move on, I can do whatever I want. I don't have to worry about that anymore. I don't have to worry about that day coming. It's already happened.
6 days after his surgery, Jake had a promise to keep.
Hey, Jake.